Regardless of the characters I portray on TV and on the big screen, my tinnitus once buried me in a negative place where many of you are now, or have been. And believe me when I say to you, I've been there. Tinnitus or tinnitus, either way you say it, whether you hear it in your ears or in your head, it means the same thing. Noise that does not go away, and you do not suffer alone. The harsh reality of tinnitus is that it has robbed silence from the lives of nearly 12 million Americans. My tinnitus began while I was filming a Star Trek episode, Arena. I was standing too close to a special effects explosion, and it resulted in tinnitus. There were days when I didn't know whether I would survive the agony. I was so tormented by the screeching in my head. I really thought I wouldn't be able to go on, but then a ray of light burst into my life, the American Tinnitus Association. The help they gave me literally saved my life. Recently, ATA's Chief Executive Officer, David Fagerly, visited me in Los Angeles and updated me about the work ATA is doing day in and day out to bring us all closer to a cure for tinnitus. They work with the best and the brightest scientists throughout the world who are investigating this terrible condition. What's unique about ATA is that they give us all the opportunity